Hi and welcome back to today's morning report. Chart appraisals on Friday the 12th of December with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Handtech Markets. I'm going to move on to cable now, and I just spoke about the fact that the euro chart is in a bit of a state of flux at the moment, a bit of a changing situation potentially afoot, and we could see the same thing going on with cable, but not quite to the extent yet as the euro is. Cable is still in this big downtrend. It's been in since July. It's still in this move to the downside, and it's just up at that downtrend at the moment as we speak. The momentum indicator's still looking reasonably. In terms of the very near-term state, you could argue that the momentum indicator picked up, but you'd still argue that they're not all that positive, and certainly the RSI is still underneath 50, which is pretty much indicative of a big downtrend. So it's no real damage has been done to cable yet, but if you look on the intraday chart, there is a sharper downtrend that we've had over the past 7 weeks. Got to zoom back a little bit to see it. Sharper downtrend that over the past 7 weeks that has been now broken by this price action over the past few days, and it just looks like the outlook is just a little bit neutral near term now, sort of trading sideways. And you've got the lows that come in at 56.45, and that has sort of been the floor of the support at the moment on the downside, and that is still the case. Still a bit of a sideways movement, you would argue, but with a slightly bullish bias with this RSI over the past few days, just peaking out around that 70 mark in the on the bottom on the downside, not really falling below 40. So you'd say that there is a slight bullish bias, especially also with these hourly moving averages pulling higher as well. But the cable chart is not really yet broken out to the upside. Needs a move above that reaction high at 57.56. And more importantly, subsequently, I think that the fact that we are still trading below that key reaction high at 58.25, that key reaction high is, I think, the big resistance sort of near to medium term for cable that it needs to break to suggest that the bulls are really sort of fighting back. At the moment, it's just sort of turning into more of a sideways trading range than anything else. Anyway, I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.